In today's video, we are going to cover how to view your Wise card details securely. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Enter your account credentials on the sign in page and wait for the account home screen to load. If your account uses an additional sign in check, complete that as part of the login process before moving forward. Once you are signed in, look to the left hand menu and click Cards. This opens the area where your Wise cards are listed. If you have more than one card on your account, take a moment to make sure you are looking at the right one before you continue. Next, select the Wise card you want to view. Clicking the card opens its details and card management options. From there, find and click View Card Details. This is the option that reveals the full payment information for that specific card. At this point, Wise may ask you to complete a security verification step. This can include entering your password again or confirming access with two-factor authentication. Follow the prompt shown on your screen and finish the required verification before the card details are displayed. This security check is there to make sure only you can access the sensitive information. After verification is complete, your card number, expiry date, and CVV will appear securely on screen. Review the information carefully and use it only when you are making a trusted payment. Avoid copying or sharing these details with anyone and do not leave them visible longer than necessary. If you are entering the information into a payment form, make sure you are on the correct site or app before you use the card details. When you are finished, close the card details screen. This removes the sensitive information from view and helps keep your account secure, especially if you are using a shared device or stepping away from your screen. Once the details window is closed, you can continue using your Wise account normally or leave the card section if you no longer need it. That is the full process for securely checking your Wise card information inside your account. You sign in, open cards from the left-hand menu, choose the card you want, select View Card Details, complete any required verification, view the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Use that information only for a trusted payment, and then close the details screen when you are done. Thanks for watching. Your Wise card details have now been viewed securely and then closed.